C basic programs. This is 16. This is a part 16. Let me explain code of to find the square root of a number. Here we have declared two variables. Each variable can store single value. This variable type is float, so each variable will take 4 bytes memory. Each variable can store one float value. When the printf statement is executed, we will get the message enter number. Enter number. The printf is output function. It prints the message which is given to printf. The printf takes the same message, takes this message and print same thing on the output screen. Here scanf, in the first parameter control string, in this only one specifier is there, so scanf will take one value from the keyboard. At the time we have to enter some value here. Float value also we can give. It is a percentage f is a specifier for float. A point value also you can give. The scanf will take this value, then it will store in n because n address is given here. Sqrt is a function. It is a predefined function. It is already created. It is already defined in math.h file. In math.h file. This function it will take value, one value, and return the result, the square root of that number. We have to pass one number to that function. This function will take this value which is given here. N is the input value for square root, and the sqrt function will return the square root of our given value. That value res will get that result. The sqrt is the actual function is there in math.h. This n value will be passed to that function. The result will be come from that function, the actual function which is there in math.h. That answer res will get that answer. It is actually function call statement. It is actual function is there math.h res. Then our result here. In the scanf, the printf again print the same message which is there in the double quotation. The same message we will get on the output screen. But here two specifiers are there. In place of these two specifier, the first specifier, in place of first specifier we will get n value, that is 16, and second specifier which is there, in place of this we will get r value. So our total output is square root of, for example, see our value is 16 here, 16 equal to, in place of this specifier r value, sorry, here res there, sorry, a mistake is there, a variable name is res. The res values may be 4, the square root of 16 is 4. Then after prints this message, the program will return 0. Then 0 is just like a true status. This 0 will be go to compiler. It is just indicate the program is successfully executed and program is terminated. Thank you.